The Torq'N Tigers isn't your typical extracurricular activity. The student team spends an entire year designing and building a quarter-scale pulling tractor for the annual American Society of Agricultural and Biological Engineers competition. One of the Torq'N Tigers says the work starts before the school year even begins.
Design really starts the previous year at contest. We start making mental notes. We actually got a whiteboard inside of our trailer. It's got about 25 different items that we've already decided to consider for this next year's tractor. So that's kind of when the brainstorming really happens.
Then in the fall, the team takes that list and chooses the elements they want to build in the coming year. They combine successful parts of previous tractors with these new ideas to create an award-winning design. Once the team decides on a design, the first step is to simulate the tractor and all its components on a 3D design software called SolidWorks.
Throughout the year, we'll interchange with designing this part
on SolidWorks and then to a prototype
to see how it's actually going to work on the tractor.
to maybe have to go back to SolidWorks to make some design changes again after your prototype, all the way up to your final assembly of the tractor.
Basically, we'll design all of it in a 3D model
That is fully functional and ready to be transformed into a reality. Then,
Come around December timeframe,
We will send all the parts out to be machined, formed, cut, all that.
in the springtime, you can find the team at the test track at the South Farm Research Center.
Testing the tractor with our pulling sled and actual sized pulling track.
The next stop? Contest.